In this episode of Finno Ugric machining, we are going to do the final bits and pieces for the locking mechanism for this new tailstock. Okay, so let's put this thing together. What I made is this. This is just a bushing, and then I have also made this. Okay, let's see now. First I have cleaned this really thoroughly, and now I will put some grease into there. Let's roll it a little bit. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to wipe it off from there, yeah. Okay. Next step, let's put this ball bearing there. That one. Go into the hole. There you go. Then the spring. And I also made a screw here that we can actually, you should be able to tighten it and this still turns, yeah, good, like that. Now it stays in place. And next thing is this. I pre-assemble it. Goes this way, I believe, yeah. Then we have, maybe we should, well, it doesn't move a lot. So, here goes the bushing, into there, like that. And then we have this. But now I need to go to the lathe, and because this needs to be, if I want to say something negative about this, it's not easy to put into place. It's really, really tough. So first let's clean the lathes, some oil to them. That, and then we put this into place first. You just put it like this. It should go there, like that. There you are. Then we have this piece of equipment which goes on top of that. Should go quite easily there now. And then I have markings here. Okay. Let's see if I can. Okay. Okay, now it goes. Yeah, there we have it. And it snapped into place, and now it doesn't come out unless you unscrew the screw there. And now it's in place. We can get rid of this. Then we have the handle. Okay, it should be in this position when there is this detent. Exactly like that. And now I just tighten it down from the under. Now I just tighten it, not totally this time. I will come later on with this one. But now it's there and moves really freely and starts grabbing halfway, and it's already tight. And this really doesn't require a lot of force. It's very good. Yeah. Let's see how it behaves here when we go nearer here. Yeah. And here. Yeah, same place everywhere. Very good. Yeah. This is the proof of concept. It works. And we have a detent here which holds this in place It's not very noticeable, but it doesn't like wander around from there. It holds it there. That's more than enough. This is success. Lock free. So it works. Nice. So in the next episode of Finno machining, we will be doing the rest of the features on the base plate, and these include dovetails for the quill holder, and then a threaded pin which is used to align the headstock, and furthermore the oiling system. It consists of quite a few holes, long ones, and then some places for oil holding wicks, and then also wipers. There must be a place for wipers, because this one will eat your vase if you don't have that. So that, at least that we will have in the next episode of Finno machining. Till then, bye!